you very much. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm really excited to be able to show you here in Frankfurt this morning our very latest creation, the BMW Concept 4. As you can tell, it's a very sporty and modern coupe. Coupes have played a major role in BMW's history, both in terms of contribution to the brand image and its design language. I'm talking about cars like the BMW 3.0 CSI or the BMW Garmisch. Two very clean and crisp designs that have also formed a design DNA that we're still using in all of our products today. Lately, however, it's been the I-cars that have made strong contributions in terms of new technologies and also the creation of a new and cleaner design language. Now, all of these elements will begin to influence the design and the technology of our entire BMW brand. Coming back to the BMW Concept 4, we were able to start this design project once again with ideal proportions. A very long wheelbase, short overhangs, a very good wheel-to-body relationship allowed us to create this very flowing and elegant silhouette. It also happens to be very good for the handling characteristics of the car. In this concept, you will find a host of new ideas for design details that of course become much more important when the design language becomes cleaner. Things like this ultra-slim tail lamp graphic that you see here, or at the front of this car, an entirely new interpretation of the BMW fascia and its front light signature. The shoulders, the surfaces are clean and strong, and altogether this concept car gives you a very good idea of how we want to combine the very latest in technology with a very strong and evocative design in the near future.